Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to build a website using AI. Here you can go and type Readdy AI. This one is the platform. Here you can go and you can easily check their packages. So first one is free. You will get 250 credits per month and you will be able to do 2 projects for free. And then this one is the starter package, $15 monthly. You will get 2500 credits and 10 projects. This one is the pro package. Okay, now let's go and click on get started. Simply you can go here and click on continue with Google, then select your Gmail, allow it, and now you will be redirected and you will be logged in. Here you can tell about your business. For example, let me select this one, launch a business website. Here you can select one of the option. I need to build a website for digital marketing agency. Name is Enable Website Design. You can also redesign and revamp your website using this button. Then simply click here. Now it has started working on it and it has generated these sections. Simply you can go and click on next button. Here you can select the logo. You can also upload your own logo. So let me go here and try to add my logo here. This one. Then click next. Now here you can see it has started building the website. So it can take just a minute. So guys, here you can see after 5 minutes we got this result. Our professional website design is ready with animated features. This one is the professional header menu. So we need to modify our logo. Now let me scroll down. So guys, now if you want to change anything, then you can simply use this selector and you can change the button text and anything. And you can also write instructions here. For example, if you want to remove any of the section, then you can type here and click on this button. So to publish this website, simply you can go here and click on publish button, and then it will give you a free subdomain. So if you want to publish it on custom domain, then you need to get that domain and you need to upgrade your package. You can also check responsive. Here you can see this one for the mobile. Okay, let's go back on desktop devices. You can share it from here. This one is the source code. You can get it from here. And then you can view the website by clicking on this link. So this one is the actual design. Here you can see how professional design AI has created within just few minutes.